2024 Aston Martin DB12. Starting at $248.086. Highs. Gorgeous inside and out, roaring V8 engine, balanced handling. Lows. No V12 engine option, throttle response too sharp in sport and mode, back seats aren't suitable for adults. Verdict. Aston's Grand Touring car impresses with its combination of beauty and brawn in equal parts. Overview. The beauty of the 2024 Aston Martin DB12 is indisputable. Its low-slung body is stop you in your tracks and crane your neck for a better look gorgeous. It has the performance that its overheated looks promise, but let its model name lead you to assume that Aston stuffed a V12 into it. The all-new Grand Tourer is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 producing 671 horsepower, enough muscle to push the DB12 to a top speed of 202 miles per hour according to Aston. It's a beauty on the inside as well, blending high-quality materials with modern technology. The coupe is currently on sale while the Volante convertible will become available very soon. What's new for 2024? Long, low, and sleek, the new DB12 is an entirely new model for Aston, what the company describes as a super tourer. Deliveries are expected to begin during the third quarter of this year. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Aston Martin DB12 is expected to start around $248.086 and go up to $270 depending on the trim and options. Coupe. $248,086. Volante. $270,000, EST. As things stand now, there are no trim choices to be made for the DB12, and because it carries a big price tag, the DB12 comes essentially fully loaded with only some appearance items available as options to help you customize the car to your exacting standards. Engine, transmission, and performance. In true Grand Tourer fashion, the DB12 is a performance thoroughbred. The twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 in the belly of the DB12 produces 671 horsepower. We think that's enough to spring the car to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds on the way to a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission and electronic rear differential. We sampled the DB12 on twisty mountain roads in the south of France and came away impressed both with the car's beastly V8 powertrain and its balanced handling. Even in the most aggressive drive mode, Aston Martin has preserved a comfortable ride without compromising too much on the DB12's cornering reflexes, but the throttle response is a bit too aggressive and out of step with the car's character. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA has given the DB12 fuel economy ratings of 14 mpg city and 22 mpg highway. Those numbers aren't great, but for a sports car with 671 horsepower, we expected the DB12 to be a bit of a gas guzzler. When we get a chance, we'll take the DB12 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route and update this story with real-world test results. For more information about the DB12's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As a Grand Touring sports car, interior comfort is just as important as performance. Fittingly, Aston has adorned the interior of the DB12 with a blend of high-end materials. Hand-stitched leather wraps almost every surface from the seats to the dash. Cargo room counts in a car made for traveling. We don't have specifics on how many carry-on suitcases will fit in the DB12 yet, but we'll update the story once we get our hands on a DB12 for testing. Infotainment and connectivity. The DB12 comes with the brand's first in-house infotainment system. A 10.3-inch center infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. An 11-speaker audio system is standard, with a 15-speaker Bowers and Wilkins system available. Safety and driver assistance features. Those interested in driver assistance technology will find plenty of it as standard in the DB12. For more information about the DB12's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control and automatic high beam headlamps. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Aston Martin provides limited and powertrain warranties that are on par with what other high-end automakers offer. However, unlike the competition, Aston doesn't include any maintenance visits in its coverage. Limited warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. Specifications. 2024 Aston Martin DB12. Vehicle type, front engine, rear-wheel drive, 2+2 passenger, 2-door coupe. Price. Base, $248,086. Engine. Turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 32-valve V8, aluminum block and heads, direct fuel injection. Displacement, 243 in3, 3,982 cubic centimeters. Power, 671 HP at 6,000 RPM. Torque, 590 lb-ft at 2,750 RPM. Transmission. 8-speed automatic. Dimensions. Wheelbase, 110.4 in. Length, 186.0 in. Width, 78.0 in. Height, 51.0 in. Trunk volume, 9 ft3. Curb weight, C/DEST 4,100 pounds. Performance, C/DEST 60 miles per hour, 3.3 SEC. 100 miles per hour, 7.5 SEC. 1/4 mile, 11.1 SEC. Top speed, 202 miles per hour. EPA fuel economy. Combined/city/highway, 17/14/22 mpg.